Hello again, we are back for some more inequality work. This is 3.2. We're going to be solving one-step inequalities. Alright, I couldn't help myself. I couldn't find a super good math meme, so instead I used a fall meme since it's fall now. What to do? We're going to just solve inequalities like equations, but there is one special rule. You are going to flip the sign if you multiply or divide by a negative number. Which means if you had a sign like this and you multiply or divide by a negative number, it turns into this. And if you got one like this, you get the idea, right? You flip it around if you multiply or divide by a negative number. Let's do some examples. This is kind of quick because I'm very confident that we're going to be great at this because we are already great at solving equations. So this is just a little, like a little tiny twist on what we've already been practicing. We have x plus 8 is greater than 7. That's how you read that sentence. Just like an equation, everything you do to one side of at this time, instead of inequality sign, you do to the other. We still want to get x alone. That is still our goal. So how do we get rid of that 8 or move that 8? We're going to subtract it from both sides of the inequality. So we have x is greater than negative 1. Now, let's stop for a second. You're going to say, Mizzy, do I flip the sign because it's a negative? No. You only flip the sign if you multiply or divide by a negative number. We did not do that. So our answer can be negative without us flipping the sign. Say it with me. Our answer can be negative without us flipping the sign. All right, let's do another example. Again, we are going to do the same thing to both sides of the inequality. This inequality reads, x minus 13 is greater than or equal to negative 4. Let's get this 13 out of the way. We're going to add it to both sides. I don't know if you can hear, my baby has hiccups. He's in the other room, but it's loud. It's cute. Oh, he's mad about it now. So we added 13 to both sides of the inequality sign, and we ended up with x is greater than or equal to 9. Pretty uneventful, right? You're feeling like this is a super review, which is awesome. I hope it is. And if it's not, and if you're a little tripped up by the sign, don't feel bad about it. Reach out to me. I can go a little more in depth for you if you're feeling confused. Okay, we've got negative 9x is greater than negative 27. We have to divide both sides by negative 9. Oh, I wish I had like an alarm sound, like ding, 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 ding. We're dividing by a negative. So we take this sign and we flip it because we divided by a negative. Flip the sign. So you get x is now less than positive 3. We flip the sign. All right. Here, we've got x over 2, or x divided by 2, is greater than negative 1. How do we undo that division? We multiply. We're going to multiply both sides by 2. X is greater than negative 2. Again, we did not multiply or divide by a negative. Our answer is negative. That is okay. Okay? Okay. Now, I went through that kind of quickly, so you might need to pause it, rewind it, slow it down, do whatever you have to do. But like I said, I think this is a pretty good little review here. I will put all the examples on the page at one time, so you can have that final screen. This should go in your notes. These 4 problems are on the assignment that I'm giving you. See, I'm not even being sneaky anymore. Make sure that you have this because these are the answers. Have a great day.